How to edit a calendar. First, launch the Calendar Creator app. Choose Create from Scratch option and hit the Finish button. Right-click on the canvas screen and choose Properties. After clicking on Properties, the Canvas layout windows will open. Choose the text size for heading from Font Size drop-down list. Choose Subheading and then choose the text size for subheading from Font Size drop-down list. Now choose the font style for subheading from Font Style drop-down list. After choosing the font style, click on OK. After click on OK button, all changes will appear in Main Calendar. Now again right-click on the canvas screen and choose Properties. Give font color and other stylings to heading and subheading. After adding the stylings to heading and subheading, click on OK button. After click on OK button, all changes will appear in Main Calendar. Now again right-click on the canvas screen and choose Properties. Click on the image icon and choose your desired image from your computer. After choosing the image, click on Open. Now click on Color icon and choose your desired color for background. After choosing the background color, click on OK button. When you will click on OK, then background changes and heading and subheading changes will appear on the Main Calendar. Now again right-click on the canvas screen and choose Properties. Now click on Cross button of background image and click on OK button. Once you will click on OK button, the background will show color instead on image. Now again right-click on the canvas screen and choose Properties. This time choose Calendar tab instead of Canvas from top and add your styling to Calendar. After adding the styling to your calendar, click on OK button. Thanks for watching.